This is Dr. Karnasri, BHMS MD Homeo. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the scope and limitations of homeopathy in the management of dental complaints.
Homeopathy has both scope and limitations in the dental problems. The homeopathic medicines play a major role in the dentistry. Homeopathic medicines are safe, non-toxic and non-addictive and produces no known side effects or interactions with conventional medicines. Teeth are very essential to the human beings to chew the food and to reduce the size of the food particles. This is the first step in the process of digestion. Maintaining dental hygiene is very important for many reasons. An infection in the gums and related tissues may affect the entire digestive system. Dental problems like teething troubles, caries, tooth abscess, sensitive teeth can be either tackled with homeopathic medicines or along with appropriate dental procedures. Regular patients of homeopathy usually seek the treatment for their dental problems primarily from their homeopath, and it is the duty of the homeopath to give them the right direction to get the appropriate treatment. There are many such dental cases which could be managed with homeopathic drugs. In some cases, intervention of dental procedures may be required collaterally, but there are cases which need only dental intervention. This video tries to explore the scope and limitations of homeopathy in common dental problems. First one is teething troubles in children. The common homeopathic medicines which are useful in teething troubles of children associated with irritability, diarrhea and fever are Calcarea phosphorica 6x, Aconite, Belladonna, Calcarea Carp, Creosote, like there so many medicines are there. The second complaint is premature caries and decay. The causes are more intake of sugar, chocolates, cakes and sweets, followed by improper washing of tooth, and that leads to erosion of teeth and decaying of teeth. The common homeopathic medicines which are useful for this complaint are acid flow, Calcarea phosphorica, Creosotum, Plantago and Staphysagria. The third complaint is tooth abscess, collection of infected material, that is pus in the center of the tooth. Bacterial infection is seen in the people who don't maintain proper hygienic measures, reflects in the form of bad breath, fever and swelling. Along with proper hygienic measures, the following homeopathic medicines are helpful. They are Baretta Carp, Hecla lava, Hippar-Sulph, Maxol, Pyrogenum. Next complaint is sensitivity of tooth for cold or for chewing. The common homeopathic medicines which are useful for this complaint are Chamomilla, Magnesium phosphorica, Maxol. Next one is the most common complaint, toothache or odontalgia. Causes are gingivitis, injury, earache, tooth decay, tooth abscess, like that multiple causes are there. The gingivitis is the inflammation of gums mainly due to long-term effects of plaque deposits. If plaques are not removed properly, it then leads to the formation of harder deposits called tartar. Plaque and tartar inflame and irritate the gums. Untreated gingivitis may end up with periodontitis. The common homeopathic medicines which are useful for tooth pain and gingivitis are Hecla lava, Hippar-Sulph, Creosotum, Maxol, Natramure, Phosphorus, Silesia, Calcarea flow, Belladonna and Aconite. So many medicines are there. The next complaint is cavities or holes. Once they formed in the tooth, it is not possible to get that reversed by any medication. These cases can be referred to dentists for appropriate treatments like fillings, crowns and root canal therapy. Homeopathy is also effective in mouth ulcers, oral candidiasis, halitosis, bleeding gums, and post-surgical complaints. Homeopathic remedies for mouth ulcers and oral candidiasis are borax, mercurous group, acid nitricum, acid sulfuricum, natrum mure, arsenicum album, kali chloratum, hydrastis, muriatic acid, baptisia, and so many. Remedies for bleeding gums are Crotalus horridus, lachesis, mercurous group, natrum mure, acid nitricum, phosphorus, and sepia. Homeopathic remedies after extraction of tooth or after surgical procedures are arnica, lachesis, phosphorus, creosotum. Some precautionary basic home remedies. Thank you so much for listening and keep watching our videos and please subscribe to our channel for getting more informative videos.